Hello everybody. In this video I am going to show how to disable Windows 10 automatic updates by setting their connection as a metered one. Open the settings app, click on networks, then Wi-Fi, manage known networks. Here you will see a list of Wi-Fi devices. Click on properties and move the slider to on position. Now your automatic updates that has been downloading will be stopped. We will see in update and security. The list will be refreshed in a while. Here it goes. See, the automatic downloads has been stopped. If you want the automatic updates to resume itself, reverse the process. Network, then Wi-Fi, managed on networks, then properties, and turn the slider to off position. Now you will be able to see your automatic updates will be downloading. Here it goes. See, the download had resumed. So this is how you can disable your automatic updates by enabling your internet connection as a metered one. Thank you for watching the video.